How do we always get better and do more? That's part of our charter, particularly in engineering. We like to solve problems. We always want to get better. My name is Bob Baker. I retired a few years ago as Senior Vice President at Intel. I was in charge of the technology and manufacturing group there. My experience with entrepreneurial mindset is from the time I was an engineer, how do you go look and fix and solve problems, to the time of being on executive staff and how do you motivate different businesses to grow within or to continue to improve. That mindset of how we could deliver at Intel to our customers better was critical to our success. Having that focus on how you're delivering customer value. Where is that value creation? Is it in ramping flawlessly on the latest, newest technology that no other company can produce, and doing that in volume so the entire computer industry could grow? Letting all of the people in an operation understand where those constraints were was absolutely key to our success.